We're going to make a racing game using ChatGPT. Let's get started. So I've got just a basic scene set up here with a car and some rocks and trees. And we're going to have ChatGPT make all the code for us. So let's start with controlling the car. Alright, so to do that, we just got to give ChatGPT what we want. Make a Unity script for controlling a car, period. Let's see. Up arrow is gas. Down arrow is brake. Left and right rotate car. Max, we'll say 30 degrees. Alright, let's see what it gives us. Alright, so here's an example of a Unity script that can control a car using the up arrow for gas, the down arrow for brake, and the left and right arrows to rotate the car up to 30 degrees. Alright, so it's got our speed. It's a float. It's got a rotation speed, 30 degrees. Left is a public float, so we can change it if we don't like it. Move vertical. Input, get access vertical. Assumes the car is using a rigid body component and applies a force to move the car forward or backward based on the up and down arrow keys respectively. The left and right arrows are used to rotate the car. Alright. Let's copy that code and go into Unity. Okay, so we've got our car here, and it's got a rigid body attached. So let's go ahead and go into our scripts, create a new C# script, and we're just going to paste in that code that ChatGPT made for us and see how it works. Gotta remember to change the name of the script to car controller. Alright. And we should be ready to rock. Let's see what happens. Pushing up on the... Pushing. Not getting anything. Alright, so let's take a look at the script that it gave us. Float, move vertical equals input, get access vertical. I don't see where it called out our keys. Let's input, get access. Applies force to move the car forward. It didn't work when we pressed the up arrow. There we go. Yeah, I was confused when I saw vertical axis there. Alright, so see, it gave us a script, but it didn't work. But it says it understands now. So let's see. Okay, there we go. Get key, key code, up arrow. Still don't like this move vertical. That's weird. Move horizontal, input, get access, horizontal. I think it's going to give us another trouble with the turning too. Let's go ahead and try it out. Go ahead and paste it in. Save. Go back over to Unity. Delete that script. Let's make sure we car controller. All right. Oh, there we go. We're going super fast. Woo! We want to smooth out that rotation. Alright, but we are able to move forward and backwards at least. And it does turn us, but it's crazy. So let's try adjusting that rotation speed down to 1 and see what happens. Let's also slow ourselves down to 1. So we can just experience this a little bit better. Okay, 1's way too slow. Let's go 5. Play. Alright. It's a little rigid on the... but it's working. Let's try that out again. Alright, there's our brake, backing up, forward. I think we want to change the max angle there. So what angle did it give us? Move horizontal, input get axis, horizontal. Rotation, here we go. Move horizontal. I don't think it gave us a max rotation. So let's see if we can adjust that. Can you set the max rotation to, well, change it to 20 degrees. 20 degrees. Enter. Sure, to limit the maximum rotation of the car to 20 degrees, you'll need to add an additional check in the update method. Make sure the rotation doesn't exceed the limit. Here's an example of how you can do that. Alright. Get axis horizontal. Alright, there's our 20 degrees. Right there. mathf.clamp. Okay. Copy our code. Let's go over here. Make sure we replace all of it. Control V. Oh, it shortened it up significantly. Oh, do you know what? We lost the top. It didn't give us the top. Look at that. It cut off everything above the void start. That's good to give us the whole code. You give the whole script. You can just copy and paste. We don't want to do any actual work here. We just want it to work for us. Alright, there. That seems to be working. Found sometimes the code gets longer that it'll start messing up and won't actually be able to finish the whole code. But I think it's going to finish this one just fine. It's not too long or complicated. Alright. Copy code. Head back over here. Control V. There we go. Save. And let's go back to Unity. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Oh, probably because that's called new behavior. Okay, so maybe I'll just create a new script next time with the right code in there. Let's make sure that we got everything that we wanted here. Let's open up that script instead. Here we go. That's what I needed to do. And let's see if that works better. Oh, there we go. All right. Hit play and go for it. All right. Ooh, I hit something. Oh, I think I put a rigid body on one of those. Rocks. Not a rigid body, but a collider. Yep, there it is. Not sure it's limiting our rotation at all, but it is working. And let's slow our rotation speed down to 0.5. Alright, that seems to be working. It's not beautiful, but it works. So I think what we're going to do next is add in the wheels to get them spinning a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and move the camera around so that we can see that in action a little bit better. That'll give us some. Let's see, make sure we can see. Oh yeah, we'll be able to see some rotation on those tires. So let's have it create a new script for us, and we're going to call it wheel rotation. Create a script that rotates the wheels I know that's spelled wrong, but we're just gonna go with it. ChatGPT should understand. That rotates the wheels as the up and down arrows are pressed. All right. Use rotate the wheels of a car. All right. Wheel rotator. All right. Alright, let's go ahead and copy our title of the script. So when you create that new script, we have the name right from the beginning. Control V. Alright. Wheel rotation. And now we're going to copy our code. We're going to come over to wheel rotator. And we're going to paste it in. Save. Alright. Let's see if it worked. Oh, do you know what? I forgot. I forgot to apply the script to anything. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to put it just onto the car. And we're going to put in the wheels of that car. Let's see. Okay. So sedan tire. Looks like it's our back left. And then sedan tire 1 is our front left. So then sedan tire 2 is our back right. And 3 is our front right. 2, back right. And 3 is our front right. Now, this should work. Ooh. They almost look like they're spinning backwards, don't they? Oh yeah, they're going opposite of what they should be. But let's change it down to 2 just so we can see it a little bit better. Yeah, that's spinning backwards. They're spinning, but backwards. Oh, that's funny. Okay. And so let's go back here. Tell it that it's spinning backwards. The wheels spin the opposite direction. Can just code. So they go in the right direction. Alright. Alright, sweet. So it's how you can adjust the script. I'm not going to adjust it. You're going to adjust it. Let's see. Rotation direction of the wheels. I believe you. Oh, rotation equals negative rotation speed. Let's see, rotation. Okay, okay. I just added a negative there. Copy code. Let's get in here, paste that in. Guys, I cannot code this fast. So it's not perfect, but if you go in with a plan, knowing what you wanted to do, man, it can really speed things up. Let's see if that worked. Oh yeah, look at that. That's doing better. All right. That is good enough for now, guys. Next time, we're going to implement the ability to shoot some projectile out of this car, maybe a banana, and then the video after that should be spawning some AIs and getting close to racing. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.